I'm Jen, and this is a little bit of everything. Tonight I am going to show you a sweet and spicy barbecue sauce that you can make at home. Please, let's get started. We're going to get started with 1.5 cups of ketchup. Put that in our mixing bowl. To that, we are going to add 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of crushed pineapple, juice included, 1 shot of whiskey, any brand you like, onion powder, got about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half there. We have also a tablespoon of minced garlic, a little bit of cumin, about a tablespoon of that, and a tablespoon of chili powder. We are also going to add 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. This is what's going to give it that nice smoky flavor. I'm going to add a couple dashes of balsamic vinegar, and a couple dashes of good old-fashioned Tabasco sauce. Always remember, when doing anything in the kitchen, salt and pepper to taste. Now we're going to mix this up nice and quickly. This barbecue sauce is excellent on pork or chicken. Not my favorite for beef though. There we go. We have a quick homemade barbecue sauce that tastes perfect, guys. Please tune in for my next video, and I'll teach you how to make ribs. Bye.